Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to draw a platform floor stairs. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, go into your customization function and then click onto your ceiling function. Alright, so we are going to use the ceiling function to create our platform floor stairs. Okay, so for the first thing, we click on our ground, click on the platform design. Alright, so all we can do is click on the rectangle and then we draw a rectangle. Alright, so for this side, as you can see, I actually draw on the bigger side. Okay, so now we are going to extrude, make the ground go higher, so we can actually change the elevation to 600. Alright, so as you can see, it actually extrudes higher. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is we are going to create the stairs right over here. Okay, so we return right now, we click on to this wall and then click on background wall design. Alright, so next we are going to use the multi-segment, which is also called a polyline. Alright, so I'm going to draw my stairs by keying in. Okay, so 450, so horizontal 450, my stairs going down 150. Okay, so repeat until I have a total of 3 steps. Okay, 150, 150 going down, and one last one 450, and we connect them onto the ground and then we join them all together. Alright, so right now click on to these stairs which you just draw, and then you can right click and transfer it to an area. Okay, once you transfer it to an area, you may be able to see your stairs. Alright, so right now I want to extrude it out. Okay, so I want it to pop out, so click onto my stairs off the wall. I am going to give 1000. Alright, so as you can see right now over here, you have your platform and also your stairs. Okay, so we can return. Okay, so over here maybe you want to create like a column. Okay, so what we can do is that we can click onto the bigger size, the bigger area again. Okay, so over here, okay, I would like to create, so I can use a rectangle and draw. Alright, okay, so I have already, I can click on to the one I just draw. Okay, and then I can resize it. Okay, I'm going to resize my length to 1000. Sorry, I'm going to resize my width to 1000. Okay, and my length to 350. Okay, so now I can zoom in closer a little bit and adjust it, place it, stick it right onto the corner by keying in 0. Okay, so now I would like to extrude it up a little bit. So for my elevation, I will change it to 1600. Alright, and there you have it. Alright guys, so this is how to draw a platform floor stairs with ceiling function. Good luck trying, guys.